Write the following numbers in order of size. Start with the smallest number. The smallest number is the number with the largest absolute value, but negative. And cross them off as we go. -7, -2, and then here 3, 8, 10. Here is a polygon on a square grid. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're not all the same side. I've got 6, so a 6-sided shape is a hexagon. Which side of the polygon is parallel to the side CD? The side CD is this one, and this one is parallel. AF. Right down the side of the polygon that is perpendicular. Perpendicular means the sides are like this. AF this time, and we can either have EF or AB. But only put one of them on your actual answer.